Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can use the 20 USDT coupon from Bybit. So when you sign up for Bybit, they usually give you a welcome gift of a $20 coupon. So first off, obviously, you'll have to sign up for Bybit. After that, you'll have to verify your identity. Here are the steps. You'll need to log into your newly created Bybit account using your email and password, and then navigate to your account by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen from the drop-down menu, and then select Account and Security. Complete your identify verification process. This may include providing personal information and uploading documents like ID or your passport, but don't worry, they're in safe hands. After your identity is verified, and then you can use the Bybit coupons. So if you access the coupon page here, as you can see, there's a sign up now to claim $20. So you have a $20 welcome gift. So the way you go to the coupon page is by going to your Bybit account and then heading to the rewards tab, usually located in the top menu bar, and then within the rewards section, navigate to the coupons or promotions category. And then you'll be presented with this page here. Now, this is the 20 USD welcome gift coupon we get. We use it by pressing use, of course, and then browse the list of available coupons. And then once you click on use, it'll automatically be added to your account and it'll be used when you make a transaction.